guys, I'm going to do a quick review and demo using the Matte Hydrator, but I'm also going to apply another hyaluronic acid on the other side of my face just so you can see the comparison. This product I've been using now for a good, maybe coming up to 6 months. I use this under my makeup and every morning to keep my oils at bay because I have very oily skin, as you will know. I don't apply it in the evenings because I'm going to bed, so I will just basically put this on in the morning and it keeps my oils at bay for a good few hours. I apply the Matte Hydrator on this side of my face, then I'm going to apply another hyaluronic acid on this side, just so you can see the difference. Some hyaluronic acids actually don't penetrate into the skin, leaving like a sticky finish and doesn't really do its job properly. So you could argue, what's the point? So I've got actually a product that does that, which is not really for me. I use some other products in their range which work well, but again, it's just trial and error of finding the right thing that works for you. And if you have oily skin, I recommend using a hyaluronic acid because it gives you the moisture that you need, even though some people think you don't need to add moisture if you've got oily skin. That's false, you still do. This is an oil-free formula with hyaluronic acid and you only need a few drops. So you get a 30ml bottle, and to be fair, depending on how much you use, this bottle can last you quite a long time. My skin is freshly cleansed, I've got nothing on. So I'm going to do this side. I have a mirror up here as well if you're wondering why I'm looking away. Please ignore my nails. I haven't had time to get them done. So already when I rub this in, it glides on and there's no tack. You can hear like me pressing my skin, but there's no like pull or tacky feeling. I'm just going to show you how different it is to the other product. You kind of have to work with this product quickly because it does dry matte, and then after a while it becomes kind of dry and smooth. On the first application your skin will feel a bit tighter, but nothing that's unbearable or you feel like, oh, don't really like how that feels. Okay, and for the second product, ultra pure hyaluronic acid as well. I'm going to apply it to this side of the face. I don't know if you can see that. I just want to show you how thicker and goopy the texture is. So this side, we're applying. Roughly applied the same amount. Now, I don't know if you can see that excess, and this is a lot tackier and it's goopier, and I don't like how it feels. It's not as workable as the other product. It's stickier. This is now dry and matte. I don't know if you can hear that. Can you see that pull? That's what I don't like, because this takes longer to dry, and if you apply makeup on top of this or any other product, you're just going to get this pull. And on the other side there was no pull, so it's thicker, it's harder to work in, and actually this doesn't penetrate into the skin. So in hindsight, you're paying for a bottle of hyaluronic acid that's not going into your skin, whereas the Matte Hydrator is penetrating deep into the layers and actually doing what it should be doing. So this is already smooth, and that was dry and smooth after about 3-4 seconds. This is still tacky. This takes a lot longer to dry. Dry. Still tacky. It does give some of a matte finish, but I don't think near as well as the Matte Hydrator side. And this is another brand of hyaluronic acid on this side. So, still, we're tacky. Not tacky, which means this is completely penetrated into my skin, and this product is just sitting on the surface. What's it doing? I just wanted to show you again, visually it kind of looks like similar results, but feeling wise I cannot feel this side. It feels smooth, it feels light, it feels soft. This side feels tacky. Let me just try and stick with my hand, see if it works. No. This side? We're stuck. If you have oily skin, I highly recommend you try out this product because it's the only thing that really saves my oily skin. I have to still blot during the day, which is, I talk about all the time, I do have to blot still, but that is just because I have very oily skin. But if I can have a product that helps even the slightest bit, then it's a bonus for me. So definitely give this brand a try or look into it, and if you want to know any questions just message me. But yeah, that's my hyaluronic acid demo, and still it's only kind of just drying now, and that kind of in a time frame just goes to show you, and especially if you're in a rush doing your makeup or going out in the morning, you don't want your face feeling tacky for a long time, but also you want to just apply a product and know that it's working straight away. So hope this has been somewhat informative. Research more into hyaluronic acid and actually the benefits it does for your skin, and I'll speak to you soon.